Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another dyno day. Today we've got Sam's Clio 182 and I'm really curious to see what a 2004 Renault Clio 182 actually makes on the dyno. We are down here with Lawrence at Cruise Culture 2025, wide open throttle power. I'm really curious of this because servicing and stuff like that comes into a lot, so it's whether they've been well maintained. A lot of these cars get thrashed. And I've heard Sam's been on here quite a lot. This particular Clio has got your basic sort of, it's got a decat exhaust, aftermarket intake. I think that's about it for this one. So I'm hoping these have got like sort of a VTEC system, I think, some sort of cam timing. So I'm sure I've seen videos on a few of them where the crossover is quite prominent. So I am looking forward, we'll get some shots of the rear, shots of the front to hear the noises. Did not disappoint. I don't care what power they pulled, it sounded incredible. I forgot to mention it has apparently had a map as well. That is how a little hot hatch should sound. I was going to say, Kenny professionally setting up our power on board. Yay! So first car we've got on the dyno, what's your prediction?
It's a Clio 182, any mods?
Intake, exhaust and map.
185.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to say 180. Just for the benefit of the doubt, wear and tear, things like that. I would ask Lawrence, but he did say that this is not the first time this car's been on the dyno. It's been on multiple times, and Lawrence asked Sam, oh, okay, what have you done different this time? Nothing. Just wants to see his car on the dyno again. Noise on that.
I'm gonna change my mind. I reckon it's like 192.
It's
Sounds a bit spicy, doesn't it?
Yeah. So, as well as doing our walk around, like I said, because we are working with Lawrence, what we've got here is the Accelerate. We need to think of a funny name for it, a funky name. Anyway, we're keeping track.
Wall of shame, because you're going on there too.
No, mine's staying off there.
I can do yours now. I'm just joking.
We are going to be making a list of every car that goes on the dyno today, and we've even got a trophy for the highest horsepower NA car and the highest horsepower turbo car.
Yes, we have.
So yeah, I guess at the end of the day we'll be sort of giving that out.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this because obviously we're going to be doing different runs and I don't want to keep wiping them on and off, so what do you reckon? How are we going to do it? So just put them down and then we'll work it out the end.
Yeah, let's just wing it. This is how accommodating Lawrence is. You don't need a turbo when you've got a mic. Just get him to hold of this. So like I said, we've got the board set up there. We're already gathering a crowd, no pressure. Second one, we'll do one more run and then we'll give you some power figures. And like I said, interestingly, we can compare him to the last time he was on here, same dyno. And it's mad, it's already drawn a crowd. We've got our leaderboard set up, so sound good. The induction noise really is throaty on that. This is the trophy. We've got one for the highest boosted car and the highest NA one.
How cool is that?
That is cool. Right, Lars, you said this has been on before. Yeah. What did it make previously?
It was 185 before, so 182, which is a pretty healthy number.
Yeah.
From a 182, obviously.
Yeah.
So Sam wanted to put it on. It's a slightly cooler day. It was a very hot day when it made that.
Okay.
It's lost 10 or so, you know. So 175, and this last one was 176.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, we've compared the torque curve. It looks the same shape and so on. So I don't know. That's more of a loss than the weather would have came for, if you see what I mean.
Yes, yeah.
You're talking about a couple of horsepower for the slightly cooler morning, you know.
Well, the good thing is Sam's been on you before, so he knows his car is capable of 185.
We'll call it 185. It's just done that.
Yeah, I think we might be generous. Right, so the results are in, like we said, we've got it on the I mean, on a positive note, as Lawrence said, Sam's currently winning. Highest horsepower of the day at the moment.
I'm putting yours on.
No, please don't. If we're going for accuracy, then yeah, put mine on there. Yeah, so we're going to continue. There's going to be a couple of videos coming from Cruise Culture. But that'll do it for Sam's Clio. It said it can be heartbreaking putting your car on a dyno, and weirdly he's had his on before. So, is there a little issue there? We don't know. But hey ho, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Boom, thank you.